Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss the chapter Linear Equation, Class 6 Mathematics, DAV Public School. So this chapter we cover in two videos. This is the first video, we cover all the worksheet. In next video we cover the brain teaser and the hot questions, also value based questions. So now let's start the session. First, introduction. We first know about what is equation, then what is linear equation. Understand? Okay. Suppose a literal number or variable is x plus 2 equal to suppose 5. Means when literal number with equal sign is known as equation. Means a statement of equality which contains literal number is known as equation. Understand? Also we can write x square plus 5 equal to 7, or x plus y equal to 3 plus 7, 7x, or x plus 3 is equal to x minus 5. Okay. Now then what is linear equation? The linear equation means in this equation the power of the variable must be 1 is called linear equation. Okay. Suppose a equation is x plus 1 equal to 0. So now here the literal number is x and the power is 1. That's why it is a linear equation. If the power is 2, then it is called quadratic equation. Okay. The power is 3, then it is called cubic equation. Understand? Now every equation has two parts. One is left hand side and the right hand side. Suppose the equation is 3x plus 2 equal to 9. So after equal is called right hand side or RHS, and the equal before is called left hand side. Understand that the two sides, left hand side and the right hand side. Now coming to worksheet 1. So tell me, what are the two sides of an equation called? That is left hand side and the right hand side. Yes or no? No. Now question number 1 we can write the answer is LHS and the RHS. Clear? Next, in linear equation what is the power? The power is 1, because if the variable power is 1 then it is called linear equation. Okay. The question asks in quadratic equation what is the power of the variable? That is 2. Clear? Now question number 3, encircle the linear equation in the following. Okay. The first equation, the variable is p and the power of the variable is 1. That's why it is a linear equation. Then circle it. Option number B was second option. That is 2x plus 3 equal to 7. So here variable is x and the power is 1. Also linear equation. Circle it. Then C number, x square. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay. So next D number, variable is x and power is 1. That's why it is a linear equation. Next it is a cubic equation. F number is linear equation because power of the variable is 1. Understand? Now next question number 4, separate LHS and RHS. Very easy. So left side of the equal to call LHS, that is y minus 3, and the right side of the equal sign, that is RHS, that is 9. Here is 2x plus 1, here is 5. Here is y by 3, here is 9. And here left side is 5y minus 1 and the right hand side is 9 minus 2y. All of you clear? Now next question. This is important question, question number 5. So how to solve? Now 3 added, so plus 3, yes or no? To a number x, so x plus 3, each means equal to, so equal to 5. Okay. Now similarly B number you can write a number y increase by 6. Suppose a number y increase means plus how much? 6. So 6 each one equal to 9. Clear? Next, 2 subtracted, so minus 2 from x, so x minus 2 is equal to, so equal to 10. Clear? Now next, twice a number p, that is 2p, equal to 12. Answer. Now 15 less than the number a, so a minus 15 equal to 7. 2/3 of a number, that is 2 by 3 number is x, equal to 5. Now 3 times a number, that is 3x, decreased by 1, that is minus 1, is means equal to 4. 6 times number y, that is 6y, is means equal to 3 more than the number itself. The number itself means y, more than means plus 3. Clear? Next, 5 less than 1/3, so 1/3 of a number z, that is 1 by 3 z, 5 less, that's why minus 5, is means equal to 5. Clear? Next, 2 times the sum of, first we find the sum, that is x plus 3, so 2 times, so bracket 2 is equal to 14. Hence worksheet 1 is complete. All of you clear? Now next, worksheet 2. So check whether the given variable can solve the equation, then write yes, otherwise no. So first we check, when you put the value of y is 6, then the left hand side is 10 into 6, that is 60, because 10y means 10 into y. Okay, 10 into y. So 10 into y means 6. That is 60. So 60 equal to 80? No. So answer is no. Means when you put the value y equal to 6 in this equation, the value does not satisfy. Clear? Now similarly put b equal to 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. Yes. This is yes. Next, p equal to minus 13. So minus 13 minus 8. So minus 21. But here is 5. So this is false. That is no. Similarly, y is minus 3. So minus 3 by 3. Yes, minus 1. So true. That is yes. Next, 3z equal to 12. Z equal to 2. So 3 into 2 how much? 6. Equal to 12? No. So that is no. Understand? Next, a minus 5 equal, sorry, a minus 4 equal to 5. So here is 1 minus 4 equal to 5. No. So this is no. A plus 4 equal to 5 minus 1. So minus 1 plus 4 equal to 5. No. This is no, because answer is 3. Next, 2x. So 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Yes, true. Next, 2x minus 1 equal to minus 9. So we can write 2 into 4, that is 8. 8 minus 1, that is 7. But here is 9, minus 9. So false, that is no. 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Yes, true. Only put the value, then check. If the answer is right side, then it is true, otherwise false, or no or yes.